Hey guys, my name is Marcus and I'm here to save you time, energy and money by reviewing the money making methods if they're actually worth doing. And in this video, I'm going to review this method, make $283 a day simply using Google Translate. And this is going to be a really fun video. So let's start. So what he shares is that you should find some YouTube channel, primarily a small one. This is the one that I found. It's just an example. You're going to take the video and you are going to generate a YouTube transcript. Then you are going to take the YouTube transcript and you are going to translate it with Google Translate from English to, let's say, Spanish, like I have right here. Then you are going to copy the translated text and you are going to paste it to ElevenLabs that is going to generate you text-to-speech. And when you will have the text-to-speech, then you are going to come to this tool called Rask AI that is going to allow you to dub the video. So it's going to help with audio video dubbing, so you don't have to do it by yourself, let's say in CapCut. And to find YouTubers, what he recommends is to use a tool called Channel Crawler that is going to allow you to find small YouTubers that you can provide this service for. And now what are the cons of this method? So the first thing is that small YouTubers don't really need that. They need to primarily focus on growing their one channel they have, so they actually start to earn money. This is the second thing, is that they don't really have money to actually pay for the service to even expand to different languages, and therefore it's really hard to convert them and kind of like sell them something. The third thing are the pricing plans. So you would have to pay for ElevenLabs, you would have to pay for the Rask AI, possibly even for the Channel Crawler. So you would have to pay for all these free tools, and that's like maybe like $200–300 a month. And then there is investment of your time to acquiring the YouTuber to sell them the service. Then editing the video, the Rask AI is not going to do all the work for you. Then also the quality of the translation. So even the translation possibly is not going to be 100% really good. So the claim here that he makes that you can make $283 a day is bullshit. It's a lie. You won't be able to with this method. It's not worth it, and it's a complete trap. Only because the only one who makes money is him. 2 million views. Let me just give you the perspective. 2 million views, and he's approximately getting 15 or 20 RPM for the video because he got 17 minutes, a lot of ads, good average watch time. This is like handling the kind of the viewer on the video really well. So 2 million, easily maybe like what, 20–30K? I'm not kidding. $20–30,000 he makes with this video, and not talking about his newsletter that he got here, the free class that he also sells in the video. It's his business model. Like, heads off. I'm just like warning you that if you're going to watch this video, if you're gonna be, oh my god, I can translate videos for small YouTubers, damn, this is idea, this is amazing. It's not. It's a complete trap. And what he did really smartly, what he did in the beginning of the video, he was like recommending that even other YouTubers made a video about how you can earn $400 a day with new AI bot for beginners. And then there is this proof that they're always sharing, but the proof is just like small screenshot of the earnings. It's not explanation. Okay, this is how I contacted the YouTubers. This is how I offered the service. This is how I managed something with the Ray and with ElevenLabs. It's always just a screen with the number. So this is pure bullshit. I highly recommend not doing that. And I hope this video helped you in the future, that if you're gonna see something like that or like the big huge claim, possibly it's going to be a lie or completely oversaturated. And now I'm going to share with you my own results. So for example, this channel right here, Knowledge by Marcus, 12 million views, 263,000 euro. Business Guide, 5 million views, 82,000 euro. Marcus Stone, 27 million views, and you see that it's real analytics, 169,000 euro. And this is, for example, what I teach, how you can build successful YouTube channel and actually grow by not trying to focusing on how you can make more money, but focusing on how you can build a relationship and doing something that is in your in way essence that you like to do and you see yourself doing it for the next 4 or 5 years. And after, if you want to, under this newsletter, if you're going to sign up, you're going to get to the video where you can actually check the strategy that I'm talking about and what I prefer, because like I made good money from YouTube only because for the past 8 years I was doing something that I actually enjoyed. like teaching others, making tutorials, learning how to use various softwares. And I love doing that. So this is something that I personally teach. Is not this quick way how you can make $100 a day or like $1,000 a month, but slowly building relationship with the community, with the people. And then, like, there is this saying that when you follow your bliss, the invisible hands are going to help you. And this is what I perceive is the truth, because the life then is completely different. I hope this video provided a little bit of value, and be well. So thank you and goodbye.